worn low and tight across your hips. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle until it clicks. Tighten by pulling on the loose end of the belt. To open the seatbelt, lift the metal flap on the buckle. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated. There are emergency exits located in front, mid-cabin, and back of the aircraft. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs. Directions for opening and are equipped with evacuation lights. Overhead signs and aisle path lighting lead to all exits. Please take a moment to locate the exit nearest you. Keep in mind that the closest exit may be behind you. The cabin is pressurized. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, mass will drop from the compartment.
Parang Pilipino yung nagsasalita.
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Pull the mask toward you to start the flow of oxygen. You must remove your face covering prior to putting the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Place the elastic band around your head and tighten by pulling on the end. Secure your own mask before helping others. Oxygen will be flowing to the mask even though the bag may not exist. In the unlikely event of a water landing, a life vest is located either under or between your seats. First, pull the tab to retrieve the life vest pouch from its container. Then tear along the perforated edge and remove the life vest from the pouch. Lean forward and place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Fasten the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. The water-activated light is attached to each vest. When exiting the aircraft, pull down on the red cap at the bottom of the vest to inflate. The vest can also be inflated by blowing into the tube located at shoulder level. Remember, do not inflate your vest until you exit the airplane. The slides of the front and back exit door can be detached and used as a strap. In the event of emergency,